So it's important for us to have, the Word of God to guide us. So sabi, anong ginagawa ng Word of God? Giving joy to the heart, okay? The commands of the Lord. Minsan feeling natin, Lord, dami mo naman commands. Ang hirap naman yan. Di ba? But the commands of the Lord are radiant, giving light to the eyes. Okay? So, sabihin, mas lalo mo nakikita ang mga bagay-bagay. Mas lalong nagiging lantad sa iyo anong kalagayan ng mga bagay-bagay rather than failing to see, no? Kasi minsan tayo, we have a short-sighted way of looking at things. Kung ano lang yung nandyan, kung ano lang yung beneficial, kung ano lang yung mabuti, kung ano lang yung maganda. We don't have a far-fetched eyesight or, view sa mga bagay-bagay. We don't see ahead. The Word of God gives us that wisdom, para magkaroon tayo ng light in our eyes for us to see kung anong tama.